Ciiko cia gucinwo gwa cukuru ni cingihite miena miingi ya bururi. Ciuria cia niki kiratuma cukuru cicinwo na kihonia kiriha ikaga macokio. No riu akiaria ari cukuru-ini wa Egen Toto mwena wa muhuro wa Mugirango kaunti-ini ya Githii, Minista wa Githomo Professor George Magoha akiuga riu kiboko kiaya gukorwo nokio kihonia.
We need to introduce caning back in schools like yesterday.
Magoha akiuga ati ta ruhonge rwa githomo ni mekuhinga matu kuri ikundi cia aria mareganaga na arutwo kuerwo ifoko.
That conversation that Fred is talking about is going to include the provision of approved schools, the walking back in the legal framework on the basis of the so-called human rights.
Magoha athiete na mbere kuga thirikari ni gukorwo ikinyita mbaru gwakwo gwa cukuru cia mwanya iria ithomithagirio arutwo aria magite mitugo miega.
Conversation will involve as to whether we still need boarding schools or not. As you see here, I've achieved everything on my own, and I was caned many times.
Oho aciari makiurio no manyite itemi riao hari kurunga icuri cia ciana ciao niguo gutigirira ati wira wa kurunga ciana nduratigirwo arutani mari aiki.
Discipline them. Do not expect our teachers to do the impossible.
We have a conversation on parenting in our country and discipline in our schools. Na tusiwachie mambo hii kwa serikali eti government. Hapana, it's work that we need to do. We have buried our heads in the sand for too long, especially from the point of view of parenting.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Martin Munene.